Lightning is a brief but incredibly powerful event. Within a matter of seconds, a single lightning strike can generate temperatures of up to 70,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 5 times hotter than the surface of the sun. Lightning is a rapid and intense natural electrical discharge. It occurs when the electric potential between a cloud and the ground becomes significant enough to release the built-up energy. As the warm air surrounding the cloud rises, it creates an imbalance of charges, resulting in the formation of static electricity. This leads to a positive charge at the top of the cloud and a negative charge at the bottom.